Webinars are a great tool to increase conversions, generate leads, scale a business, and drive engagement and action in a dynamic way. EasyWebinar is a cloud-based webinar platform that supports real-time chat and event scheduling, as well as live streaming, multi-camera conferencing, customer onboarding, and sales funnel management. It assists users in creating, promoting, and delivering engaging webinars to their intended audience. EasyWebinar provides a user-friendly interface with customizable registration pages, webinar templates, and interactive chat features. It also supports screen sharing, slide presentations, video streaming, and audience engagement tools such as polls, surveys, question and answer, and interactive chat, fostering two-way communication between hosts and attendees. This enhances audience engagement and helps hosts gather valuable feedback. EasyWebinar distinguishes itself as a live streaming platform and marketing automation tool in one, generating leads and acquiring customers through interactive training onboarding. It uses seminars, webinars, and masterclasses to help you stand out from your competitors while also allowing you to scale up your marketing with automated and evergreen webinars. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this tool to increase your customer management and conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this EasyWebinar review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on EasyWebinar. What does EasyWebinar really do? EasyWebinar is a web-based platform designed to simplify and enhance the process of hosting webinars and live events by enabling users to organize, manage, and promote webinars effortlessly. With a user-friendly interface and intuitive controls, EasyWebinar caters to both beginners and experienced webinar hosts. The platform facilitates live webinars, automated webinars, and hybrid events, giving users the flexibility to choose the most suitable format for their needs. The live webinars allow for real-time engagement with the audience, whereas automated webinars present pre-recorded sessions as if they were live, resulting in a seamless experience. EasyWebinar allows users to display documents, images, browser windows, and more through high-definition screen sharing. The event scheduling functionality allows users to create different types of webinars, such as one-time, recurring, series, and evergreen. The email notification module lets users send alerts before, during, and after each webinar. Furthermore, the platform offers detailed analytics and tracking capabilities, giving hosts insights into attendee behavior, attendance rates, and overall webinar performance. This helps users assess the success of their webinars and make data-driven improvements for future events. Overall, EasyWebinar optimizes the webinar hosting process, allowing users to focus on providing good content and engaging with their audience rather than becoming bogged down in technical complexities. Whether it's for educational purposes, lead generation, or product promotions, EasyWebinar empowers hosts to deliver impactful and successful webinars. Benefits and key features of EasyWebinar. 1. Amazing audio quality. EasyWebinar technology allows for noise reduction plus high bandwidth streaming with no delay, even with multiple people speaking at the same time. 2. Multiple live streams. EasyWebinar's EasyCast feature allows you to stream live on multiple social media platforms at the same time. 3. Make any attendee a presenter. With EasyWebinar, you can turn any attendee in the room into a presenter with the click of a button. Select the attendee, and EasyWebinar's software will automatically locate their camera and audio, allowing them to start presenting on the spot. 4. Record and archive for automated webinars. EasyWebinar allows you to record and archive any and all webinar sessions, download them, or use previous live sessions as automated webinars. 5. No lag times during webinar sessions. With EasyWebinar, there are no longer long wait times between asking a question and getting a response. This is the most real-time streaming you'll ever get. 6. Multiple presenters in a webinar session. EasyWebinar allows you to have multiple presenters in a live webinar presenting at same time. Each presenter can use a camera and microphone, as well as share their screen to present. 7. Real-time chat during and after webinar sessions. EasyWebinar's live chat makes engaging with your community a breeze, and of course, emojis are fully supported. You can also send links and any communications you'd like in real time. 8. Webinar funnel pages. EasyWebinar comes with all the marketing funnel pages you need to run live or automated webinars. With that, it already sets itself apart from its competitors, as it's now easier for you to generate leads and drive in sales during webinar sessions. 9. Blind editing. EasyWebinar comes with registration pages, thank you pages, event pages, replay pages, and event-ended pages. You can edit the pages to your liking via the crude back-end interface. 10. Seamless video streaming. EasyWebinar ensures high-definition pictures and videos without buffering or delay. These capabilities also apply to screen sharing, so attendees don't need to squint just to read a document. EasyWebinar's pricing and plans. EasyWebinar uses a per-host pricing model based on monthly and annual contracts. The free trial option allows you to test the software's capabilities with limited features. The paid plans include the Standard, Pro, and Enterprise plans. If you pay annually and sign up using the link in the description below, you'll even get at least a discount and the benefit of unlimited attendees on all your webinars. Pros: top-notch audio and video quality. Unlimited live attendees are available for automated webinars. Access to live webinar courses. Flexible pricing and payment plans. Embeddable and custom registration field options. Selected subscription add-ons on all plans. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons: unlimited live webinar sessions are only offered in the paid plans. Conclusion: EasyWebinar targets individuals and businesses across various industries looking to host webinars for marketing, sales, training, and other purposes. Its flexibility in accommodating various webinar formats allows users to choose between live events, pre-recorded sessions, or a combination of both. EasyWebinar's automated webinars are pre-recorded webinar experiences that stream in real time with the feeling of life, allowing you to scale up using the top way of selling and onboarding through relationship building and education. EasyWebinar maintains high security standards, including access controls, encrypted data transmission and storage, and strict internal data policies. It has consistently received positive feedback for its ease of use, custom branding capabilities, and quality support. Customers compliment the user-friendly interface, which allows even first-time users to create professional, branded webinars. Features such as automated follow-up and extensive analytics add significant value. EasyWebinar's quick innovation has been recognized by industry analysts, who rank it as the best in the webinar space. EasyWebinar has been shown to be the most effective webinar tool for automated workflows at a fair price. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with EasyWebinar. If you enjoyed this EasyWebinar review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.